Happy Tuesday, Husky Pups, and happy snow day. I dressed a little bit like a snowman today. I've got my snowman hat and my scarf on, and I am ready to do some math. How about you? Now, last week we talked about, is there enough? Is there enough? Do you remember we had our bears up on the board with their honey pots, and we had to decide, we had to count our bears and count our pots and see if there was enough for each bear to have some honey. Well, we're going to do that one more time, and then I've got a new word that we're going to learn. So let's look at our reindeer. We have reindeer, and we have magic reindeer food. They need that for Christmas so they can fly, right? So let's see. I'm going to start with, I'm going to draw a line from each of my reindeer to one bucket of food. So here we go. We've got one reindeer and one bucket of food. One reindeer, one bucket of food. One reindeer, one bucket of food. And one reindeer, one bucket of food. Do they each have food? Yes, they do. Yes, they do. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 reindeer. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 buckets of magic reindeer food. So there is enough. And I have a sentence right here at the bottom. Do you see it? It says, I see enough food for the reindeer. There is enough. Well, we are going to talk about a new math word today, and that word is extra. And extra means more than enough. And let me show you what I mean. Okay, look up here. We have sacks of toys, and we have sleighs. Sacks of toys and sleighs. So let's do just what we did with our reindeer and the reindeer food. I'm going to draw a line from the sack of toys to the sleigh, and we're going to see if we have extra or more of something. So let's see. There's one sack of toys and one sleigh, one sack of toys and one sleigh. Does this sleigh have a sack of toys? No, it does not. No, it does not. We have one sleigh extra. We have one sleigh extra. When we have more than we need, we call that extra. So I have a sentence down here, and it says, I see extra, and then we have to circle what we have extra of. And we have, let's see, 1, 2 sacks of toys, and we have 1, 2, 3 sleighs. Which has more? Think about that for a minute. Which has more? You got it, pups. There are more sleighs than there are sacks of toys, because 3 is bigger than 2. So, I see extra, and I'm going to circle sleighs because we have more. Let's try that again. Now we have cookies that look like pretty bells, and these are glasses of milk. So let's do our lines. Let's do a different color. I feel like going a little green today. Let's do green. So we have 1 glass of milk and 1 cookie. Glass of milk, cookie, glass of milk, cookie. And look at, we have more milk, but we're out of cookies, aren't we? Let's see how many glasses of milk we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 glasses of milk. So I'm going to write my 5 right over here. How many Bell cookies do we have? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm going to read the sentence, friends, and you think about it, and maybe you could tell someone who's there with you at home what your answer would be to this question, and let's see if we have the same answer. I see extra. That means more. Do you see extra milk or do you see extra cookies? Extra. Extra milk. There's more milk than there is cookies. Good job, Pops. All right, let's do one more. We've got stockings and candy canes. So let's do 1 candy cane for each stocking. Oh, we ran out of stockings. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 stockings. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candy canes. 6 candy canes. So what do we have extra of? What do we have more of? I see extra stockings or candy canes. I think you said it. It's candy canes. We have extra candy canes. That is very neat. See, we're learning new things about math. So what I want you to do now is go into Seesaw, because I have more of these games for you to do, and you get to find what there is extra of on each page. Enjoy it, pups. Have a great snow sparkly day, and I will talk to you later.